What's poppin', Dance Fitsugar? It's your girl Poofy in the house, and today I've got for you a 10-minute cardio dance. So good, it'll help you feel alive and thrive today. Are you ready to do this?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it. Come on, let's get to it. Let's go. Give me a step touch. Yes, we're gonna stand with our feet together. Give me a double clap in 3, 2, 1. Bring the knees in for 3, for 2. Give me a twist, hand behind your head. 4, 3, 2. Same thing, wide knees, lean on the left side. 3, 2. Hands behind your head. Give me that twist. We're gonna do the same thing. Feet together. Add a jump if you want it. Knees up. 3, 2, 4 twists. Keep that jump going. Yes. Get it, y'all. Knees wide, lean on the side. Good job. Check out Lilian. She's going full out with me. And Chelsey, if you need modifications, hit low, down low. Little baby back bend. Let your spine realign here, y'all. Sit a little deeper. Connect to your breath to movement here. Yes. You ready to dance, team?
We're ready.
Let's go. Give me 3 steps. Grapevine side. 1, 2. Freestyle hit. Anything you want. Hit your hair, hit your arms, but please don't hit your friend. Big ball change. Freestyle the arms, make this feel good for you. Ready? Do it again, walk it out.
Yeah.
Can we add some spins?
Let's do it.
Ooh, I love that, Chelsey. Go, Lily.
Thank you.
Kickball change. All right, we got a breakdown for you. Someone in a comment section before said, I need help with a body roll. I got you right here. Turn to the side. Imagine you're drinking water. Too slow. Let it roll down your chest. 4 quick. 3, 2. Lift your heels. Switch sides. Too slow. 4 quick. Yeah. Looking sexy. Let it go into your hip now. Roll it down. 4 rolls. 4, 3, 2. Freestyle rolls here. Make this feel good for your spine, honey. Good. Switch the other side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Let's dance, Dance Fitsugar. Work it out. Side. Woo! I was giving you a spice for a moment. Boom.
Oh yeah. Leg.
Kickball change. This is your chance to dance, y'all. Feel what your heart is feeling right here. Let's go. Side. Maybe it's a little salsa. Ooh. It's a little hip hop. Whoever you are, let it shine. Kickball change. Maybe double turn the arms. So many variations. Walk it out. Let something go. Amazing job. Next song, we're gonna lean and bring it up. Catch on right here. Hands go overhead. Big breath in, big breath out. Send that booty back. Get that back flat. Hey. Couple more, then we switch to the other side. Last one, all the way over.
Woo.
Switch. Awesome job, team. How we doing?
We're great.
Ooh, we gonna dance with this one. I don't know if y'all ready.
We're ready.
Okay. Couple more. Then here's our breakdown. This is what I call a poofy pump rope. You ready? Single, single, double. Then we do it to the other side. Right and left. Then we pull that rope. Single, single, double. Just like that. I don't know if you're ready, Dance Fitsugar. We're ready.
Let's
you got
get
a
it.
free ticket to Poofchella. Let's go. Single, single, double. Pull that rope. Let's go. Single, single, double. We do it again. Come on. Pump it up. Pump it up. Hey. Pull it up. We do that thing from the top. Let's go. Lean it out. Drop it down. Woo. All right, second set, Lilian.
Oh yeah.
Get ready for jumps.
Let's jump.
Go,
guys.
3, 2, 1, and jump when you get to the top.
Woo.
Passe. Woo. Woo. Get my jazz technique together.
Seriously.
Get ready, last one. Switch sides. Drop. Get your life together with those first 4. 2 more.
Together.
Yes. Take it up, ladies. Come on. We get a breakdown breather in 2, in 1. Breathe. Single, single, double. Now these move back with the pumps. Now with the pulls, move forward with it. If you have space in your house, I want you to dance with us. Poofchella round 2. Let's go. Woo! Pull it up, pull it up. There we go, team. I'm feeling it. I see you at home. I see you, Chelsey. I see you, Lilian.
Oh, yeah.
Pull it up. Now, feet wide, just lean back, down. Breathe. All right, it's my party, so I want those hands up. Hey.
Hey.
We got that swag, insert. Swag, insert.
Yay.
Good. This is the last time, team. We lean to the side. Hands up. Hey, it's a birthday move right here. We swag, we surf. Get ready from the top in 4, 3, 2, lean to the side, drop it down, take it up. Nice, team. Here we go, we're gonna combine it. Get low, get high, drop, jump with it, yes. You got 2 more, then we switch sides. Big hand overhead, switch. You're doing amazing, come on. Combine this, get low, get high, let's drop it down. Up, use your arms to help you get up there. Give me 1 more. Let's go, pump it up, come on. Pull it up. Let's go, let's go, ha! Pull it up. Amazing job, team. Let's go, lean to the side. Give me 8 pulls. Here it is, 8, 7, 6, 5. We switch to the side in 3, 2, 1. Switch. Give me rocket vibes here. Really pull your knee to your elbow. Cut this in half. 4, add a twist. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Let's switch. 4, 3, 2. Hands to your heart. Give me 4 out. 4, 3, 2. Now we swipe. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Double snap. Hey, do it again. Arms out. 4, 3. Just like Tinder, we gonna swipe it out. Let's go. Bye. Snap it out. Now lean to the side again. 8, 7, 6, 5. Good catch. 4, 3, 2. Now switch other side. Yes. Yes. Just keep saying yes to yourself. Yes, to this moment. Yes to this move. We're gonna switch to the other side. Give me 4 with a twist. Hey. Looking so good, team. I see you at home. Stay with me. Dance with your heart. Take it out. 4, 3, 2. Now swipe on them, girls.
Goodbye.
Oh, yeah. Again, arms out. Add a little hop in between. Swipe it out. Now, I want you to pull it towards you. Step it back. 4, 3. Groove right here. Single, single, double. You get to feel yourself. Pull it back. 4, 3, 2. Groove with me. You ready? Yeah. Ab time. Take your hands to your heart. Take it side to side. You can make your heart with your hands, or you can get crunk with it. As long as you're going side to side, keep it there. Get a little lower. Hey. Okay, let that hair swing. Put those knees together. Bring it out. 4. You got 3. Hey, you got 2. 1 more. Hands to your heart. Let's dance out. All right. Swipe time. Swipe or no swiping. Yes. Give me energy. Give me effort. Give me performance. Come on. Woo. Now give me these pulls. Ready? Pull. 3, 2. Now groove. Single, single, double. Yes. Pull it out this side. 3, 2. Single, single, double. All right, we're going to do a little arms dance. Take it out with me. You ready? Bring it out. Bring it out. Hands to your heart. Bring it out. Thank you for the keys to your heart, team. All right, are you ready? Swoop it out with me. This is our last fire burner.
Oh, yeah.
Ready? So lean to the side. Take 1 foot front, 1 foot back. You're gonna bring your knee into your chest, move your arms athletically. You ready? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Pump it out. Come on. 4. You got 3. You got 2. Step it back. Lunge pulse. Freestyle your arms. Ooh. Hey! Get ready to switch. Yep. 4, 3. Lunge pulse. Right here. Get ready for 2 squat jumps, 2 twerks. Let's go. 2. Twerk it out. Right and left. Up. Yes. Pop sugar pop stars. I see you again. Woo! Come on. How high can you go, Lilian? Let's get it.
We can go high.
Hey! Here we go. Breathe. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Throw that knee. Opposite knee. Opposite hand. Let's pick it up. Go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. I see you. Come on. Step back. Curtsy lunge. Back. Snap it up and down. Nice long line. From the floor to the sky. Now that's cute. Give me performance. Come on, lean with it. Rock with it. Hey! We go right from the top, team. In 3, 2, 1. Lean front, give me 4. 3, 2, lean back, freestyle arms. Stay here. On the same side, we do it again. Come on. Yes. Make a noise with me. Get ready to step switch or jump. Hey. Looking so good, team. I'm loving this energy. Woo. Pace yourself, because to the end, we got those squat twerks.
We got it.
Yes. Tell yourself something good.
Booty town.
Here we go. Fire up. Twerk it. Come on. Woo. Get low. Come on. Just imagine we're at the club together. Yes. This POPSUGAR Club. Dance Fitsugar Club. Come on, come on. Get it up there. We're almost at the end, team. We weren't here for a long time. We were here
for a good time.
A good time, that's right. Woo, feeling good, looking great. Here's your last one. Give me that mic drop. Woo!
Whoa!
And just like that, team, we made it to the end. Give me some
That
love.
was great, yes.
Give me some love at home. Take a big breath in. Wide feet. Let it all go. Ah. Awesome job. Give me one more just like that. Exhale. Let your chest fall forward. Bend through your legs all the way down. Woo. Let your hands rest if they're on the floor. Straighten the back of your legs. Big breath in, big breath out. Rock it right to left, right, left. Semi-bend in your knees. Oh yeah.
Oh, this feels good.
Hamstring was needed, yeah. Oh, absolutely. All that jumping. We gotta get that stretching. Then through your legs slowly, roll up. My favorite exercise, moon squats for mobility. Take your feet out, reach to the sky, grab the moon. Big inhale, exhale, take the moon to the earth, right into the middle, right there. Oh yeah, get a good curve in your spine. Let's do it again. Cross your left over your right over left. Take it back down to the ground. Just sink right there. Curve your spine. Ooh, chihuahua. Feels so good. Got one more. Let this go right into the middle. And on your next exhale, press your elbows into your knees. Awesome job. Look at those beautiful faces. Hey, take your one hand into your knee. Press it gently. Oh yeah, do a little twerk for her, Lilian. Go, girl. She wasn't done yet.
I wasn't done.
And if you weren't done, please replay this video and twerk with Lilian. Twerk with Chelsey. Twerk with me. We've loved that.
Twerk with
Someone did with you, and we feel that. We love that. We encourage that here. All right, drop this hand down into the ground. Look to the sky. Oh, look, a pizza pie. Big breath in, big breath out. Switch hands. Awesome job, team.
Love it.
Oh, I love this stretch. Soft bend into the knees. Go ahead and roll it on up. Stack your spine to realign. One last pose of the day. Hey, 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 let's go. Amazing job, Dance Fitsugar. My name is Poofy. This is Chelsey. Hey. This is Lilian. Thank you for dancing with us. And if you like to dance with us, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you on the dance floor. Bye. Bye. We did it. We did it.